What up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome back to a new Keydrop video. Today I have $1,000 on the balance and $600 in my inventory. In this video I'll try with some case opening, some case battles, some upgrades. So before I start with this session, if you are looking for the absolutely best promo code on Keydrop, 10% deposit bonus and free 50 cents for newcomers, let's join under my promo code. How to join? You can join through a link down below in description, or you can check first pinned comment. Just press on link and you will be able to join instantly, or you can create an account on Keydrop. When did you create an account? You need to press on use code at top bar and enter promo code Razor Affiliate in a promo code box. After that, press on apply. And also you can press on deposit at top right corner, press on promo code and enter promo code Razor Affiliate there. Press on apply. On left hand side you can find all these deposit methods. You can pay by skins, Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, PayPal and more. Also on Keydrop you can claim some free rewards guys. You just need to press on get free. You can scroll down and you can find some tasks that you can complete and you can earn some points, which is really cool guys. For example, you can follow Keydrop on Twitter and you can earn 12 points. You can follow Keydrop on Instagram and you can earn 19 points. Just scroll down and find all tasks. With these golds you can open some cases. You just need to press on your gold balance, and as you can see you can open a lot of cases. I have 48k on my balance and I will open emerald cut case. Let's open one emerald cut case and let's see, can we hit something good at start? Water elemental Glock. $5 for free guys, which is really cool, so let's check it out. Also you can press on daily cases guys and you can open free daily cases. You can scroll down and you can find how to level up your account. Easy steps guys. I will open my level 1 case right now and I got voucher. And every month on Keydrop you can find new event guys. You just need to press on join event. You can check this one, Chess Empire event. There you can find how to claim this EP. You need to open limited time event cases to get a bonus and event points, or you can refill guys and you can earn these points, which is really cool. Scroll down and you can find how much points you can earn. For $5 refill you can get 100 EP. For $50 deposit you can earn 500 EP and more. Also you can press on event pass guys, and as you can see you can claim some free rewards. You can buy this premium pass guys and you can get better rewards. Next thing I want to show you is chessboard guys, where you can pick your cards and you can win something good. I have 20k points, so I will pick this one. Okay, M4, let's pick one more. Tech 9. Alright, close to chessboard you can press on piece to piece, and as you can see click on the cards to find two identical chess pieces. A matching pair will get you a free reward, so I will choose this one, this one. Okay, two identical cards and I got this Glock guys, which is really cool. Next to piece you can press on skins gambit guys and you can exchange your event points for some skins. Minimum is 100 points, so I will exchange 10k points and let's see what we get. Desert Eagle, 10 bucks. That's nice. And last but not the least, you can press on leaderboard guys and you can find some rewards that you can claim at the end of the event, which is really cool, so let's check it out. Okay, this session I will start with some case opening guys. We'll open these limited edition cases. We'll try this space knife. Let's open 5 cases. $212 cost this case opening session, and let's see what we get. $78 only. Okay, let's sell and let's try with 3 more. 127, hoping for one knife. Okay, we lost money there, but never mind. 37, let's sell it and let's get right into some case battles. Okay, I'll start things off with my own cases. We'll try with event cases. French defense 1, tower 1 and Reti 1. $185 cost this case battle. Let's try 4-way, and maybe we can try with underdog mode, where we need only bad pulls and only cheap skins guys. So let's create this case battle. Let's call bots and wish me luck. Okay, 3 bots, underdog mode. Let's see boys, we need bad pulls, cheap skins. First pull 61, bro. Why $61 first pull? I don't know. Is it good? Okay. But Cody is in the lead. But let's see, last one. We lost this one. First one we lost. Unlucky. But Cody is winner with $387. Let's create one more. We'll do Razor 3 cases and Serpent. Let's do 3. This case battle we'll try in 4-way mode. 4-way again. Can we win this one? That's question. First pull. $14. Okay, we need something more expensive, bro. More expensive. Bot Waffle is in the lead with $29. Last Razor case. Okay, let's try with Serpent cases now. One knife, one knife, one knife, one knife. Oh, imagine this Karambit Slaughter, bro. Is it Slaughter? Yeah, I think yeah. Okay, that's bad, bro. That's bad. Last one. Unlucky. Unlucky. Botle Pudgy is winner with 436. Okay. 377 left. We'll try with some PvP mods. Let's do new knives cases maybe. We can try with 2 new knives cases. $320. And maybe one space knife case. Okay, let's create this one and let's call bot Lepagi again. Wish me luck. We need to win this one. We need to win this one definitely. First pull. Oh, Shadow Daggers, Safari Mesh. Okay, 96. Second knife case. No, bro, no. Last one. Can we get knife from space knife case? Yeah, unlucky, unlucky, I don't know. We lost 3 in a row, which is really bad. Let's try to hit something there. 2x. 45%. We miss, of course. So let's sell all of these skins. Yeah, let's do $500 battle serpent cases. Can we try with 8? Yeah, we can do 8 serpent cases. Let's create battle and let's call bot Lilo this time. Come on, bot Lilo, please let me win this one. 479, we need comeback there. Can we win Emperor M4 first pull? 7.85 battles card condition. Like, what the fuck is this? Okay, we are down, 6 more cases. No. Lilo is in the lead with $172. Can we get one knife or gloves or something like that? No way, no way. We need one pull over $200 or $300. Okay. 2 more cases. Okay, last case will decide winner, I think. Bro, please, serpent, please. You piece of shit, bro. What the fuck is this? Let's open one case for these gold coins. We'll open Emerald Cut one for 19k. Let's see what we get. Oh, stop on flip knife. Stop on fucking flip knife. Let's do 2x upgrade. And we missed. Unlucky. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, you can always leave a like. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Twitter Razor affiliate for a daily giveaways, turn notifications. You can follow me on my Kick Razor affiliate for a daily live stream, summer content, summer giveaways. And the most important thing, you can check out Keydrop under my promo code Razor affiliate, and you can claim 10% deposit bonus and 50 cents for newcomers. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you tomorrow in a new video. Bye.